Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be utilizing a 2-minute scalping strategy in real time to make fast gains. We're going to focus on making $400 or more with our proven day trading strategy. Without further ado, family, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. All right, family, you know how we got to do. We got to start the morning off showing the gain. So we're going to be trading in 3 funded accounts today. Our current account, it's up $2,028.70. Our second account is up $2,020.54. And I think we had about maybe 4 or 5 funded accounts the other day. I actually blew 2 of those accounts. So at one point I was up about 7,000 and some odd change for the month. But now I'm only up about 4,000 for the month, and I already paid myself about $3,000 from those profits that I was up. So I'm not going to beat myself up too much about losing a few of those funded accounts the other day because we're still green for the month. Based on the economic calendar, we really don't have a lot of major reports going on. They're still delaying the reports, even though people are starting to return to work in the government. It's about to start reopening. However, the market, they're still not reacting positively to this news. So at this current moment, we were supposed to have CPI at 8:30 a.m. and we were supposed to have the jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. We don't have neither one of those reports. Now we do have a speaker at 9:30 a.m. So make sure you keep a close eye on your chart at that time frame. We're going to cover levels for our options traders and our futures traders. And we're also going to review the overall market sentiment before the trading day starts. So at this current moment, the overall market sentiment is bearish. We have a lot of selling pressure in pre-market at this current moment. Now for our IWM traders and our options traders, the first level of support for IWM is priced at $241.07. Our pivot point is priced at $242.61, and our first level of resistance for IWM is priced at $243.44. SPA, we have a key support level at $678.60. Our pivot point is priced at $681.75, and our first level of resistance for SPA is priced at $683.55. The Qs, we have a key support level at $614.77. Our first pivot point price is priced at $619.10, and our first level of resistance is priced at $621.77. All right, family, it's showtime. The market is open. Let's get it. Make sure you keep risk management as a top priority. And we're about to have a phenomenal trading day. Let's go. Let's get it, family. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Money Spence day trading show. Let's get it, family. It's about to be showtime. All right. So we're currently down for the Nasdaq 144 points at the moment. So currently we approached a week to date low support zone in pre-market. That's where the smart money stepped in and started buying the Nasdaq. It's priced at $25,434.50. Let's see if we're going to hold that level before we take action and start, going short towards the downside. Remember, family, we patient over here. We don't rush into nothing. We are patient traders. Let's be patient. Let's wait for the right opportunity. Now, if we break below this level, you may see your boy Money Spence step up to the plate and take action. You may see your boy Money Spence step up to the plate and take. All right, so we just created a new intraday low. Let's see if we're going to continue to drop below this level, fam. Let's go, man. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. All right. We have a key support level at $25,430. Let's see if we're going to hold this level. We need this 5-minute candle to close below this price point. Let's go to the 2-minute time frame right now because we're operating on the 2-minute time frame today. Let's go, family. Let's get it. And remember, smart money is supposed to step up in this price zone. So I'm not going to go short just yet. I'm gonna wait patiently. Ain't no need to rush to nothing. We're professionals at the end of the day. We're professionals. Now, if we drop below this 5-minute low, you might see your boy Money Spent step up to the plate. You might see your boy Money Spent step up to the plate. And we have a 5-minute ORB resistance at $25,501.50. That's our ORB 2-minute resistance price zone. Keep a close eye on that level, family. It's about to be showtime. It's about to be showtime. Your boy Money Spence, he's still waiting patiently for that, right opportunity. Still waiting patiently for that right opportunity. And on the 5-minute time frame, we're currently trading below all of our key EMAs. We're trading below all of our key EMAs, but I want you all to keep a close eye on this 1-minute candle right here that developed at 9 a.m. That's going to be a key price zone for us. That's where the smart money buyers stepped in at. And try your best not to get, faked out, family. Try your best not to get faked out and just wait patiently for the right opportunity. Wait patiently. Don't rush into nothing. The market, it's already down, massively in pre-market. We bounced near the smart money buy zone, and that level, it was already in place before, the trading day, started. So let's see how the market is going to react to it. Let's see how the market is going to react to it, because we may have a fade bounce back towards the upside. We may start bouncing back towards the upside, but your boy Money Spence, he's going to wait patiently for it. G Nice, good morning, family. Rashad, good morning, family. Mello, good morning, family. What's good? Ernesto, good morning. Let's go, Ernesto. So we have a new subscriber here in the building, family. Welcome to the Money Spence channel, man. I really appreciate you. Where you from, fam? Let a brother know in the chat. Lena Stanford, good morning, family. Let's go, man. We got the family in the building. We about to get this money. We're currently trading on the 2-minute time frame with your boy, Money Spence. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get it. I'm trying to see where these buyers are going to step in at. And in approximately 25 seconds, we can start implementing the 5-minute ORB strategy. At this current moment, we're currently on the 2-minute time frame. We're on the 2-minute time frame. We have a key support level at $25,430. All right, so the Qs just broke below $616.50. Thinking about going short, family, but man, your boy Money Spence, he's trying to wait patiently. So the Qs just dropped below the 20 EMA on the daily time frame. Man, do this thing want to? All right, so we're starting to pull back, family. We're starting to pull back. Your boy Money Spence.
Order filled.
Right here. Come on, let's go. Let's see if we can continue to go lower. Come on, keep going lower. Come on. We're not holding these price zones, so we should start going lower. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Order
Let me add a little
filled.
bit more right here. Come on, keep going.
Order
Let me add a
filled.
little bit more right here. Come on, keep going. Don't fake us out right now. Don't fake us out. Come on. Keep dropping. There we go. That's what I like to see. Beautiful.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. Just secure profits, family.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Let's go. It's about to be showtime. Let's go, family. It's a be showtime. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. So I made about $71.69 on that play. Let's see if we can continue to go lower, family. If we break back above the smart money price zone, I'll stop out on this play. At this current moment, I'm currently down on my second entry. But for that quick, scalp, I made about $71.69. Let's see if we can start going lower, family. I'll add more to my position if we do. Let's go.
Order
Beautiful. Let me
filled.
add a little bit more right here. Come on, keep going.
Order
Let me add a little bit
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Beautiful. Let me take those
Order
profits. All
filled.
right, currently up $131.60. Let's go. Currently short on the Nasdaq.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Come on. Keep going lower.
Order
Buy a little bit
filled.
more right here. Let's go. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get it. Nobody should be long on the Nasdaq at the moment. Let me take those profits really quick.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. All right, so I'm currently up $183.62. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Come on. All right,
Order
let me get
filled.
back in right here. 3 contracts. Come on, keep going lower. Come on, keep going lower. All right, so we're starting to bounce at $25,364. Let's see if we can drop below $25,530. $556. If we do, that's a stronger confirmation towards the downside. I'm still short on the Nasdaq at this current moment, family. We have some beautiful 5-minute bearish candles developing on our chart at the moment. Let's go. Come on, keep going lower. Beautiful. Come on, keep going. Keep going. The VIX, it's up 5% at the moment. Beautiful. We're
Order
gonna take those
filled.
profits. Come on, let's go.
Order
Let me get back
filled.
in right here. One contract. All right, so I'm about to sell this position pretty soon, family, because the buyers, they may step in around $25,356.50. All right, let me take
Order
those profits.
filled.
Ooh, let's go. All right, so family, for the day, your boy Money Spence, he's currently up $203.16 by playing the short move towards the downside. Let's go. Let's go back big screen chart right now so you can understand why I went short towards the downside. All right, so on the open, we identified that we were trading below the smart money price zone. Now, the price zone where we just bounced at $25,355.25, that was a key support level on the hourly time frame, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm also looking at my support and resistance software that I use during the Money Spent show. So that was a key, support zone where we bounced at $25,355.25 based on my, support and resistance software. Now, this candle right here at 9:37 a.m. is going to be an important, price indicator for us to determine where price may go at next. So we caught this short move on the open right here from 9:30 a.m. right until 9:36 a.m. It was a quick, 6-minute move. Your boy Money Spence, he was only probably in that move for approximately 2 minutes. And today we're utilizing the 2-minute ORB strategy in real time, family. All right, so now let's see what the buyers are going to do. Let's go back to our 2-minute time frame so we can see if the buyers are going to step in on this 2-minute time frame. If we engulf this 2-minute candle right here, you're going to see your boy Money Spence pivot and start trading towards the upside. So now let's highlight our key price zone. We have a key support level at $25,355.25. If we break below that level, family, it's a strong possibility that we may continue to go lower. But make sure you're ready to step up to the plate if we do go lower. Make sure you're ready to level up. All right, so we're starting to go lower again. Man, we're starting to go lower again. And so I won't give any profits back in this account. I'm going to lock this one account and I'm going to shift over to my other, funded account because I don't want to give these profits back. So I'm already up about 200 and some change for the day. So yes, let's lock me out. And I want to show you all this in real time so you can also understand how to be a disciplined and a I want to give your profits back in your funded accounts. All right, so I'm going to lock myself out of this account. So we're agreeing $203.16. And now I'm going to shift over to one of my other funded accounts. That's why it's extremely important to, have about, maybe 2 or 3, funded accounts. All right, family, let's go back to the big screen really quick. Let's go back to the screen to see what we're going to get. Let's go back to the big screen. If we continue to drop, I'll go back in short towards the downside. Hopefully everyone cleaned up on that play. But based on what I'm seeing right now, the overall market, it is bearish. All right, so we got some buyers stepping in on the 2-minute time frame. We have some buyers stepping in on the 2-minute time frame. Excuse me. Your boy still waiting patiently. Good morning, SJ. Good morning. Let me see. Ernesto said San Antonio, Texas. We got San Antonio, Texas in the building. Let's go. Let me see. Stock up said he was down 800 and now he's up $752. Great job, Stock Up. I love it, my brother. Great job. G Nice said he made $30 off of Oracle puts. Yeah, family. Honestly, the overall market is currently, seeming like a putty day. We're dropping below some key areas. Let's see if we're going to continue to go lower. If we drop below this key price, I'm going to size up again, family. I'm going to size up again. All right, it's
Order
time to size up
filled.
in this area right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going lower. Keep going lower. Oh, should only
Order
buy a
filled.
little bit more right here. Let's go. Come on, keep going.
Order
A
filled.
little bit more right here. Keep going lower. Come on. Keep going lower. Let's go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful short. All right, let me
Order
take those
filled.
profits. All right, just secure profits, family.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in here right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Beautiful.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits.
Order
Get back
filled.
in right here. Come on. Keep going.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right. Oh my God. Hold on. Did y'all see that bounce just now? Hold the hell on. That was a strong ass bounce. Strong ass bounce, family. So the algos must be stepping in right now. We just bounced off of $25,317.75. That was a strong bounce, family. Use caution. Use caution. 25,317.75. Use caution. The algos just stepped in right here at 9:42 a.m. Use caution, family. Let's see if we can drop back lower. Come on. Keep going. Keep going lower. Keep going. I'm gonna buy a
Order
little bit more right
filled.
here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going lower. Beautiful. Keep going lower. There we go. Oh my God.
Order
Let me
filled.
take those profits. All right. So I just secured profits once again, family. That was a beautiful short towards the downside. So I made about $186.38 on that play in the account. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna lock that account as well because I don't want to give those profits back. Now it's time to lock that account. So we already locked in profits of about, close to, $400 for the day in two funded accounts within a, first 13 minutes, of trading. All right. So now we're going to shift to our third funded account. Let's go back to the big screen, family. It's showtime right now on a Spence show. Let's get it. So we're already close to our $400 goal. Thank God. And we're starting to, go lower. I'm thinking about getting back in. But I'm gonna wait patiently because for one, we already experienced a 3 bar 15-minute bearish play towards the downside today. Now I need to wait patiently for a retracement, possibly back towards the upside. Damn, hold on 1 second, family. This thing is still going lower. It's still going lower. And let me highlight some areas so you can understand why the market started to pull back. We had a bearish RSI. That indicator helps me out with identifying the trend. We had a bearish MACD. The red line was above the green line, and we had some red, volume bars on our chart. Oh my God, hold on 1 second, family. Hold on 1 second. If we drop below $25,280, your boy Money Spence may go short once again, but the buyers, they may step in the zone. So please keep that in mind. And we were also dropping below our key smart money price zones. We were dropping below our key smart money price zones. That was, some key support levels. And we were also trading below the monthly pivot point. Whenever we're trading below the monthly pivot point, in some cases, that's given us confirmation for a bearish trend towards the downside. And we were also trading below VWAP. VWAP, that's an intraday indicator that you can use to determine if the overall, market at that given time frame is bullish or bearish. We opened below VWAP today, so we was bearish. And we were having a difficult time breaking above our bearish price zone right here at $25,566. That was a key bearish price zone. Our second bullish price zone, that was priced at $25,647.50. So as long as we were trading below all of these key, levels, we were supposed to, trend towards the downside. I was having a conversation with one of my, mentees yesterday about these levels, and I said, man, if these levels form or if we drop below these levels today, man, I'm going to be sizing up. So my game plan, it's been in place since, yesterday. All right, family. So we found some buying pressure at $25,280.75. If we drop back below that level, your boy Money Spence, he's going to go short once again. I'm going to go short once again. But it seems like the buyers are stepping in. Let's go to the 2-minute time frame right now. So we had a beautiful opportunity on the open for the first 14 minutes of the trading day. Now, the buyers, they're stepping in right here at 9:46 a.m. And I'm thinking about getting in for a quick scalp back towards the upside. But this is extremely risky play. Extremely risky, family. So use caution if you do decide, to get in. Make sure you use caution. We have about 13 more minutes on the Money Spent show. We only trade over here for 30 minutes per day, making $400 or more in real time with proven day trading strategies. Let's go, family. And do me a favor, family. Make sure you click on that like button. Make sure you click on that like button. All right. So if this candle starts dropping lower, you're gonna see your boy Money Spence go short once again. Let's see how this 2-minute candle is going to close before we take action. It's about to close in approximately 5 seconds. So let's be patient and let's wait patiently for the next move. All right. So let's see if we're going to get a 2-minute, ORB resistance break. I'm going to set up an alert above this level, and this is going to be a risky play if I do decide to get in. Extremely risky, family. Extremely risky. We have a key support level at $25,280.75. Let's go. Miss Jones, Chicago in the house. Let's go. Miss Jones said she's up $1,000 on that short move that we played towards the downside. Great job, fam. Great job. Let me see. Edward said, when do you answer questions after the live stream? So I'll probably start answering questions around about 9:55 a.m. All right, family. Hold on one second. The buyers, they're stepping in. I got to lock in really quick. All right.
Order
Let me start
filled.
off right here. Come on.
Order
Let me start off
filled.
with a little bit more right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going higher. Come on. Let me
Order
buy
filled.
5 more right here. Currently holding 5 contracts at the moment. Family, let's see if we can start moving higher. I'm going to take profits pretty soon on this play. Beautiful. Let me take those
Order
profits. All
filled.
right. Just secure profits.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Small contracts.
Order filled.
All right. So I'm currently long on the Nasdaq at the moment. Let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going higher. I'll add a little bit more if we break above $25,350. At this current moment, the bulls, they're stepping in. That's the only way that's the only reason why I decided to pivot towards the upside. So as you can see, your boy Money Spence, he's not just a one-dimensional trader. I know how to trade towards the upside and downside. All right, family. So on my second entry on that long, I am currently down. But on the flip side, I'm glad I'm not holding massively. So I made a quick, $51.56 on that quick, pump towards the upside. Now we have some buying pressure accumulating at $25,280.75. If we break above $25,350, I'll add 3 more contracts right here. I'll add 3 more if we break above that level, family. Come on, keep going. Keep going. All right,
Order
let me buy
filled.
3 more right here. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Don't fake us out right now. We're currently on the 2-minute time frame, family. Let's see if we can get that break back towards the upside. I'm currently long on the Nasdaq at the moment, but I take profits pretty soon. All right, let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right, just secure profits.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Beautiful. Come on, keep going higher. Come on, keep going higher. If we break above that key level, I'm going to add a little bit more to my current position. And today, my max risk per account, it was $500. And I locked my risk settings before the trading day began. So if I would have lost that $500 and, each account, I would have been done, for the day. So my max risk today was about $1,500, 500 times, 3 funded accounts. All right, let me add a
Order
little bit more right
filled.
here. Let's go. Come on.
Order
Let me buy a
filled.
little bit more right here. Beautiful. Come on, keep going high. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about.
Order
All right, let me
filled.
take those profits. All right, just secure profits once again on
Order
that quick scalp.
filled.
Let me get back in right here. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame really quick to see where this may head to next. All right, come on. Let's see if we can start moving a little higher. If we break above this key level, I'll add a little bit more to my current position. Now, the buyers and the algorithms, they're stepping in on the 1-minute time frame. We need some more buying pressure, family. We need a little bit more. All right, let me
Order
buy a little bit more
filled.
right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Buy a
Order
little bit more right
filled.
here. Currently holding 3 contracts. Oh my God, this was beautiful. Let me
Order
take those
filled.
profits. All right, family. I just secured profits on that play as well. Just made about $258.70 on that move right there. Damn, that was beautiful, man. That was beautiful. All right. So I'm gonna lock that account. One account we made 258.70. In our second account, we made 186.38. And in our third account, we made 203.16. So for the day, family, we made $648.24 with all accounts combined. That was some great trading for the day, family. That was some great trading. All right, so now in this account, to show you all how to become a disciplined trader, we're going to lock these profits in this account as well, so we won't overtrade. I'm going to lock this account to the next day. Now the move is still trending towards the upside, so let's go back to the big screen really quick, because I could have made more money on that play, but I did not want to be greedy. I didn't want to be greedy. So we'll open up the floor for questions in approximately 2 more minutes. All right, family. So the first opportunity that we played on the open, it was a short opportunity towards the downside for the first 15 minutes of the trading day. The next move, you saw your boy Money Spence step up to the plate and show you all how to trade towards the upside. I'm not just a one-dimensional trader. I know how to trade in both directions, and that's what kind of separate me from a lot of day traders. I know how to trade in both directions, and I'm not just fixated on one direction. I identified on the open that we had a bearish move, so I played the bear. I played short towards the downside. I noticed that the buyers, they were stepping in at $25,280.75. So I said, you know what? It's time to pivot and make some money towards the upside. And this comes from having about 6 years of experience, of day trading experience in this game. So I didn't learn this thing overnight. It took me a long time to get here and read these levels to a T. And also, sometimes you got to be patient and wait for the right opportunity. Today I was patient, and I just allowed the candlesticks to tell me, hey, focus on this direction. I already had my levels in place before the trading day started. Once we started to drop below my levels, I said, hey, focus on this direction. Our key level today was this smart money support zone, and it was a key pre-market low as well. Once we broke below that level, I said, you know what, family, it's time to size up and make some money. So that's exactly what we did today. And a few of our traders on the channel, they were able to make some money. So great trade today, family. I really appreciate you all for rocking with your boy Money Spence. Really appreciate it, family. All right, so now we're going to open up the floor for the subscribers who have questions for the next 5 minutes, because remember, over here we only trade for 30 minutes per day. We're not sitting at our laptop or our phone all day to try to make these gains. We're focusing on the first 30 minutes per day, and then we're done. We use a proven strategy that's been working consistently on a daily basis. All right, family. So let's go to the poll. So we had a poll this morning as well. What's the most important mindset for fast, high intensity day trading, like the 2-minute ORB strategy? And that's what we were utilizing today. So 21% of our members, they selected staying calm under pressure. 32% of our members, they selected, quick decision making and confidence. 40% of our members said patience for the perfect setup, and 10% said continuous learning and self-control. So as you all can see in today's, session, your boy Money Spence stayed calm under pressure. I didn't allow the fact that, oh, the market is down, I'm not going to be able to make some money. No, hell no. Every single day, we have a system in place to make consistent gains, and the buyers, they're still stepping in on the 2-minute time frame, family, trying to push this thing back above the week to date low. But the new week to date low, it's priced at $25,280.75. Whew, this was some phenomenal trading today. All right, so our first question, Edward said, does MNQ relate to SPY in any way? So yes, it does relate to SPY, in some way, because they're tied to the same companies. But the one that tracks MNQ, it's the Qs, QQQ. So if you're interested in, trading the same direction that I'm trading in, if you're an options trader, focus on trading the Qs contracts. So for example, you could have bought some QQQ puts today, right, towards the downside. Let's go to the QQQ chart really quick. So the Qs, they opened up at $617.57. You could have played the $618 puts towards the downside and sold down here, and you would have made a sizable amount of money, on that play. You would have made a sizable amount of money on that play, family. All right, so the bulls, they're stepping in right now on the 2-minute time frame. I told everyone right here in this price zone, I said, hey, the bulls are stepping in. I'm going long towards the upside. That's exactly what I did. I went long towards the upside, made about $260 on that quick play towards the upside. Now, if you're still holding your position, you should be up a nice sizable amount. So James said, can you share your beginners video link again? I didn't get a chance to watch it because of my PC rebooted. Yes, sir. I can share that link for you right now, my brother. So you all can start, day trading futures like your boy Money Spence. Good morning, Shafi. Good morning, my brother. Shafi is in the building. Good morning, Shafi. All right, family. So let me see if I can find that video for everyone. And it's a beginner's guide, for day trading futures. It's a beginner's guide. All right, so I'm going to share that message in the chat right now. Hey, Shafi, how did you do today, fam? Did you make any money? I know you killed it today, Shafi. So your boy Money Spence, he made about $648.24 for the first 15 minutes of the trading day, family. This was some impressive day trading today. And if you're new to the Money Spence YouTube channel, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. You're trading with a professional day trader on Monday, Thursday, and Friday who make consistent gains on a daily basis. No fluffs, no gimmicks, no fancy Lambo, none of that. Just real live day trading from an experienced funded trader. And I reached a milestone this month as well, family. So I made it to close to, let me see, 20, I made $25,000 in payouts from the prop firm from last year until this year. So I went on about a 1 month, I said 1 month, a 1 year run with payouts. 1 year one. So let me see. Edward said, this is my first time ever looking at MNQ live trading. I'm not gonna lie, I'm lost. Yeah, Edward. So if you're lost, use that YouTube link that's above Shafi's, USA username. Use that link and it'll basically give you a general understanding of MNQ contracts and what we trade, basically on a daily basis. But family, man, your boy Money Spence, he's about to be out. We only trade over here for 30 minutes per day, and we keep risk management as a top, priority. Today, I went, I went into the trading day only risking $500 max per account. So I was looking to make about, at minimum, $200 in per account. And if you think about it, we reached that goal. Combined with all three funded accounts combined, I made $648.24. Man, some people, they have to work 1 week or 2 weeks just to make that type of money, but we're making that type of money in real time. One of our subscribers, they made $1,000. One of our guys, I think he made 700 and some odd dollars, family. So the proof, it's there, man. So if you follow by the strategies that I implement on a daily basis and my guidance, you too will eventually start making these fast gains as well. But family, your boy Money Spence, he's about to be out. I'm grateful and I really appreciate every single one of you for joining this live stream on a weekly basis. And we'll be back at it tomorrow at 9:25 a.m. sharp. So make sure you show up on time. You don't want to be running late for work, man. Make sure you show up on time so you can game plan and get your strategy and your plan in place before the market opens up. Because that's what we do over here every single day. We're disciplined traders, and that's why you're able to see these results consistently in real time. It's not, luck. We have a proven day trading strategy that works, family. So I'm out, man. I really appreciate everyone. Everyone have a safe, blessed day. Peace.